Hi lovelies, and welcome back to Mrs. Brown's Chronicle. In today's video we're making plantain frittata. Before we get to that, just in case you're new here, my name is Chika Brown and this channel is basically about food, vlog, lifestyle and DIY. Please consider subscribing before leaving and click on the bell icon and select the option all so you don't get to miss any of my videos. And for my return subscribers, God bless you so much for me. Okay guys, so let's get started. Okay, to make sure this video is not a very long one, I've gone ahead to wash all the veggies and I've also gone ahead to cut them into pieces. So here we've got our chopped onions, chopped fresh tomatoes. I actually went ahead to remove everything on the inside to reduce the amount of water and sour taste we get in this recipe. We also have our scotch bonnet pepper crushed. Make sure you add the quantity you can tolerate. Green bell pepper, red bell pepper and chopped carrots. Okay, so here we've got our eggs. I'm using 5 eggs for this recipe. Feel free to use more or less. So I'll go ahead and whisk. Into my heated pan, I'll go ahead and add some vegetable oil. To that, I'll add my chopped onions and I will saute for about a minute to enable the onions flavor to properly infuse into the oil, thereby taking the flavor to the next level. Next, I'll be adding my fresh tomatoes. Stir properly. To that, I'll add my seasoning cube. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. I'll add some curry and salt to taste. Feel free to alternate or add more seasoning or less. Then I'll cover and allow it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. So to that, I'll add my scotch bonnet pepper and the other veggies, carrot, red bell pepper and green bell pepper. Then I'll stir properly. I'll saute this for about a minute or two. Then I'll go ahead and turn off the heat. So to my beaten egg, I'll add the veggies. Here I've got the eggs. Then I'll go ahead and throw it back into the pan. I've already gone ahead to add some vegetable oil into the pan prior to this time. So next is to place our fried plantains on top of the eggs. Just in case you don't know how to fry plantain or you want to learn how to fry a flavorful one, go ahead and click on this link above to watch the video. I'll garnish with some vegetables, then I'll cover and cook for about 20 minutes to 25 minutes on a low heat. And boom! Aha! Our plantain frittata is ready, and I'm going to cut this in pizza form for easy. Guys, if you're here to give this video a thumbs up, please endeavor to do so and subscribe if you haven't. Feel free to share this video to your loved ones and I would love to see you in my next video. Don't forget to leave us a comment. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Remember to make your plantain frittata with a non-stick pan for easy removal. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.